Hi! In front of me is LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by opening two of your apps in the background. In order to do that, tap on the first one, hit Home button, select the other one, and tap on the square button. Now hold one of your apps, select split screen, and tap on the other one. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, just drag one of your apps to the side and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!